Our next group of friendly letters is the large belly family. This group includes Jeem, thaa, and khaa. These letters feature a flat top that sweeps down into a large, deep, under-the-line bowl. When they are in the beginning or in the middle of a word, they undergo a big transformation. In the leader and the bridge position, they completely cut off that big heavy belly to stay flat on the baseline. In the leader position, it hides its right hand while keeping its left hand wide out. But in the bridge position, it spreads out its both hands. In the finisher position, they get to relax and show off that beautiful deep under the line bowl once again. To tell them apart, we look at the dots. Jeem has a single dot right inside its belly or underneath its flat body. Thaa has no dots at all, and khaa wears a single dot right on the top of its head. To see how they connect, let's play our pick and join game with these letters and the both letters. First, let's pick thaa and Jeem. Thaa is in the beginning, so it takes the leader position, sacrificing its big belly to stay flat on the baseline and extending its left hand forward with no dots at all. Jeem is in the end, so it takes the finisher position, extending its right hand to grab the thaa and proudly displaying its full shape with its large belly and its single dot resting right inside. This word looks like this when joined. This is Hajj, which means pilgrimage. For our next word, let's pick ba, khaa, and thaa. Ba is in the beginning, so it takes the leader position. Khaa is in the middle, so it takes the bridge position. It completely loses its large belly to stay flat on the baseline, stretching both hands wide to connect the ba before it and the next letter after it while carrying its single dot right on the top of its head. Thaa is in the end, so it takes the finisher position. When we join them, the word looks like this. This word is bakht. Bakht means luck. And for our next word, we will pick ha, ba, ya, and ba. Ha is in the beginning, so it takes the leader position with no dots at all. Ba is the first in the middle, taking the bridge position with its single dot underneath. Ya is the second in the middle, taking another bridge position with its two dots underneath. Next ba is in the end, so it takes the finisher position, proudly showing off its full boat shape. This word looks like this when joined. This is Habib. Habib means beloved. Similarly, we can make words like jinn, with Jeem in the beginning, having the leader position, noon in the end, with the complete shape. This word jinn means spirit. Next word can be jaban, with Jeem in the beginning, taking the leader position with a single dot underneath, ba in the middle, taking the bridge position with one dot below, and noon in the end, taking the finisher position and showing off its full cup shape with a dot on the top. This is jaban. This word jaban means cheese. Recalling the two groups, the boat group having ba, taa, thaa, noon, and ya. The large belly family with Jeem, thaa, and khaa. Now let's check out our third group, the hooks family.